Need to have people register for an event and you're using WordPress? I found a plugin that makes it easy. Hey, there's Tom's Tech Show. And recently, my church, and I know a lot of the places, are needing to limit how many people come into their buildings. And we use WordPress, and I know a lot of people use WordPress. So I found a plugin that allows me to do that pretty easily. It's called Events Manager. It has this big green. If you're looking for it in WordPress, just search for Events Manager and add that plugin. There's some options for it that make it easier to use. So let's go up here to Events Manager, and we'll go down to, once you get it installed, go to settings. So one of the things that I wanted people to do, Events Managers, you can do full-on events and have people pay for events and pay for ticketing and everything else. We just want to limit and let people know how many people can come in, give them an email so that they know how to come in. So under, there's like different options under booking. I need to allow guest bookings so that people don't have to like register and all that. I just want to send them an email, so there's like an approval required. No, I don't need to just automatically approve things. Different ticketing modes. You can have single tickets. There's a no user booking mode, which I think we have enabled. So there's a few different options here in the booking form. You can display the login, but we don't want people to log in. We just want them to add an email. You'll see that once I get to the form. And just setting a few of these things up, ahead of time. Pricing options, I don't care about pricing because this is just keeping track of people coming into your building or whatever event you're having. You can play with some formatting. There's ways to edit and everything, the different formats for events. There's all this text and everything. There's short codes and different things in here. You can look those up and arrange those as you see fit and as you need. But if we go in and look at the events, you can set up an event. It's pretty easy. You just go click a new event. I'm going to edit one here. You say when it is, what day it is, and what time it's from. Say my event, and then come down here. And here's the key down here. You can have tickets, right? So I click edit, or you can add tickets. So we're saying this is, giving it a name. This is actually Saturday the 13th. And the price is 0 because this is just tracking people coming in. We have 45 spaces available. You can book at a time 1 to 6 people in your party. And then you're required to submit it and just say only guest users. So that leaves it so people just put in some basic information so that you can get them an email and a phone number if you need to call them and stuff. And here already is showing me these stats. There's 3 spaces available, 42 have booked, no pending spaces. So that makes it pretty easy to set up an event. Just to go through, click a few things. You can give a location if you want and set up a location for your event if you have multiple locations, or maybe multiple buildings, multiple rooms that you're doing things in. Like if you have an overflow room or something, you can do that. Makes it pretty easy. And then down in, once people start signing up, you come down to this bookings area, and it will show you all the bookings. I've been dropping in some junk bookings just to see and watch the numbers, go up and down in this thing down here at the bottom. So this will show you how many people have signed up, and then you can go in and it will give you can look at people's emails and phone numbers that they put in if you need to do any more communication with them afterwards. So it makes it pretty simple, the form. So if I go here to my test site that I have set up, of course this would be your event website. I just click event, and then down here I set up a little page that says pre-register, and it shows me my 2 events that I have. If there were more, you can set up more, like different, weeks out if you're going to be doing many weeks, or if you're doing something every day or in the evenings, middle of the week. So I look at my space. I'm logged in, so it's not going to let me look at it, so I need a different browser. So let me go to a different browser. Copy. And we will go here. And we will paste it here. Okay. Since I'm logged in, it doesn't like that. So if I come here, it's going to show me the event, my super event right here. And then it says the date and the times that the event is. There's 38 available spaces. It says reserve my space. I can pick, there's going to be, 4 people in your group, and you can put their name, and then the phone number and an email, and you can change this. I think we have a form here that you can click on the regular church website that we set up that has the form for distancing and cleanliness, that you agreed to wear masks and all that stuff during the event. And then you click there to consent for that. So then you click send booking, and it's going to send and process the form and say booking successful. Then if I come back to my website and refresh my bookings page, there should now be a Joe Smith with 4 people approved, and the number of people down here has been reduced. Then once you get to the maximum, it will not allow you to have any more bookings for that event. It's pretty quick and easy to set up. I think it took me maybe an hour to go through and see all the different tweaks and things that I wanted to do and update, get the forms to have the information that I wanted. So it's pretty quick and easy. I just thought I'd let everybody know this is what we found that works. It's called Events Manager. It's a WordPress plugin. Hopefully that helps you with your event. Hopefully everybody's getting to the events that they need. I know we actually went and sat in a restaurant inside in the dining room in a restaurant yesterday, which was amazing. And tonight we're going to the drive-in movies up in Santa Barbara. It's about 45 miles away. But we got popcorn to pop. We got drinks to take. We got everything. We're going to be having some fun up there watching Indiana Jones and Indiana Jones: The Last Crusade double feature. Should be pretty fun to get back into that. Getting back into doing stuff, events. I'm just waiting for Disneyland to open. That's all. That's all I need really now. We have been in communication with our friends from Disneyland. They're doing okay, who work there. So hopefully we'll be able to get back into the park soon. But hopefully this will help you with your event that you're having. And it's a quick and easy way to set up, keeping track of how many people are going to show up. All right. Thanks for watching. Take care.